The dual-machine DT75 looks old, but its power is formidable. It was pulling two large rolled straw trailers at the same time. Not only that, the wet and muddy field surface makes it impossible for the DT75 to slow down even a beat. Mud is rolled up and shredded by the DT75's crawler, making it unable to hinder the tractor's moving speed. This is a confrontation between the Massey Ferguson MF 7180 tractor and the Estres bulldozer. MF 7180 wins. The yellow MTZ tractor was pulling a trailer loaded with firewood when it got stuck in the soft ground of the field. His colleague arrived with a red tractor. They are considering a reasonable rescue plan. They decided to pull the trailer loaded with firewood out of this area first. Then pull the yellow tractor away. But it seems that is not very feasible. The red tractor returned with the cable. And surprisingly, at the power of MTZ, it can pull both the yellow tractor and the firewood trailer at the same time. Here comes the Crown P.D 519 up the Boundary Spur Road on Nivix Unit 7401. The Oshkosh M1070 is a U.S. Army tank transport tractor, mostly M1 Abrams tanks, and it just got stuck in the mud. On weekends in Avon Dasset, off-road vehicles come here in large numbers to conquer difficult terrain. Rabar H18 is a Hungarian highly mobile military truck with a 6x6 configuration and inspired by the Soviet Kamaz 4310. Jutra D4K is a four-wheel drive tractor from the Hungarian tractor factory, Red Star. The D4K is the successor to the UE28 four-wheel tractor. With Excepel's 613.156 six-cylinder diesel engine and 90 horsepower, this NTTUltra D4K is old but reliable. This is a Volvo FH16540 tractor with two trailers loaded with large logs.
Cortou a árvore ali, né?
This is an M35, a two-cargo truck with a 10,000-pound force PTO. It is about to face a rather deep muddy puddle. The deep mud puddle covers the entire wheel. We only see the two headlights shining like the eyes of a wolf.
Go back down, film the mud over here where he's dragging through.
This is a challenge for drivers who like to conquer terrain, and at the same time he also wants to evaluate the power of his truck. A lot of effort is being shown. At one point, we thought the M35A2 had overtaken it, but no, it was quickly dragged back by the mud. The MTZ82 tractor is compact in size and easy to use, so it is quite popular with farms in Europe such as Austria, Poland. Vehicles designed by Oshkosh Defense always have an impressive style and are as powerful as the power of military weapons.